Take one.
All
Action. Take two. Action.
All right. So, because this.
Oh, wait. Take three. Action.
Good to go. So here we are. We're going to replace the ignition on the Ford Ranger. If you look over here, how it's all busted out, I've showed you guys a couple times. It's pretty nasty. So because my column's all broken, I gotta hold on to this pin here on the top while I unscrew it. All right, we got that one unscrewed. I need to get this other side unscrewed as well. You can move to see what I'm doing and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Try to be slow, so they won't get so dizzy. Oh, you lost a bolt.
Yeah. Yeah. Here it is. What looks like them drilling it out, trying to be all MacGyver-like to break apart this ignition. All right. So, I thought there was supposed to be a pin underneath here.
They must have taken off.
Well, how do you get this out then? Yes. This is nothing like the video description I saw for a manual. All right, there's instructions here. Let's see what they say. Replacing an ignition lock. GM and Chrysler products required. What? GM. What? Pretty sure we're not in a GM vehicle.
Sure?
Oh, here we go. Ford. Ford ignition locks require little, if any, steering component disassembly. Someone needed to tell them that. Well, again, this talks about the access hole that's supposed to be underneath, but there is no freaking access hole underneath this freaking column at all. Anywhere that goes into this ignition. Oh, there's an access hole right there.
Yay!
All right, so if you look on the ignition,
No.
straight down from it and up, okay, there's an access hole right through there, okay? So, what you need to do is get yourself a punch. If you're a poor man like me, you don't have a punch, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. Take the Phillips screwdriver and you push it up right into that hole. Right there. Push this in. Look at me. Woo! Pull that right out.
Hip hip hooray!
Now hopefully our new one
Slide in there.
Dude, I don't know if there's enough for it to freaking hook onto.
Not for real.
Wait. No, that's supposed to come out too.
What, which? Oh. The middle piece? You can do it. You can do it. Did you?
There we go.
Hip hip hooray.
All right, now we're golden. So this, you can see, stop moving please. Okay. So this is this piece right here. This inside piece right here. It's it sheared off. So now we're golden.
Hooray!
A lot of metal chunks in here.
Ooh.
Nasty nuts for one day. See you in there now. Man, they really did a number here. So let's go ahead and stick this in now. Still not letting it go all the way in. What's up?
Maybe you had the wrong direction.
Oh, no, there we go.
Oh, you mixed it.
Here we go. Woo! Ah! We've got an ignition. Ah! Look at that. Okay. Don't run. Don't make it run. No. It don't make it run no better, but it does turn over. Look at this smooth action. Smooth. Smooth action. Yeah. Oh. Man, oh man. Yes. I love seeing accomplishment. Makes me happy. So. Ain't taking my truck. Let's start over. And take 2.
And like to see on this truck, and we added the key. Driver P over here, and look at our channels over here. If we like this video, let's get on 1,000 million likes. And we'll see if we get our next video set up before then. Bye, and deuces.
Yeah, that's right. Deuces.
Yeah.